Nicole Francis. I'm here in the city of St. Petersburg where there are a lot of excitement and evolving businesses. Here in St. Petersburg, it is a great place to live, start up a business, and raise a family. Kingdom Restoration has chosen to start its own housing facility here in the great Tampa Bay area. Go with us as we listen to our president and CEO, Pastor Shurrea as she gives us information about this great facility.
Hello, and thank you for stopping by Kingdom Restoration's website. I am Pastor Shurrea. We are a faith-based outreach ministry geared toward helping youth that have transitioned out of the foster care system. Our mission is to provide safe housing alternatives to these youth that have transitioned between the ages of 18 to 21. We have 4 programs. We have a males program, which is called Adam, Active Disciples Advancing Ministry Within the Kingdom. Our women's program is Eve, Empowered with Vision of Excellence. We have a Kingdom Development Business Center here located at 3530 First Avenue North, St. Petersburg, Florida, Suite 217. If you're a youth and you have aged out of the foster care system and need assistance, please feel free to stop in. We also have a women's ministry. If you're in need of a support system, we're asking women to come by, stop in, and check us out.